Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to find draft videos in YouTube. So let's start. So first let's go to YouTube, and then when we are here on YouTube, let's wait a little bit until it's ready to use. Let's go to the plus symbol here, and when you do it, you find this part that is recording the video. If you go to the right side, you will find here as credited drafts there. And then you will find here the draft video for YouTube. So just click there, and here, then when you do it, you can start editing. If you want to add the stickers, you want to add an audio, etc., you can do here. Then just write next, and you can edit the description on your video, and then just click on upload short. So that's how you can do it, guys, how you can find this draft videos on YouTube. It's very easy to do it, so I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.